Good morning and welcome to my Plan With Me video. I am Janelle with stickermama.com, and today's video I will be planning for the week of July 6th in my Erin Condren daily duo. So as you see here, I have already planned some of this. I wrote here some of my to-do lists from last week that I did not complete. So whatever I had from last week, I added onto here. I wanted to point out for those that watched last week's video that I have these newer stickers with the dates that are larger that aren't part of this kit, and I like that. But on these two, I decided to put it above on these thicker washi, but top, leaving this area here blank, and I do really like that a lot better. And I am loving the weekend, way better than last week's weekend. So I am learning as I go here the things I think will work for me, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so first off, I am going to add words for every day, word of the day. So for today, I did sparkle, and so I'm just going to start off for picking out which words I'm going to use for each day and where to place them. These are transparent. All the items that I'm using are available in my Etsy shop, and I will have all them linked below. I just kind of want a little bit of encouragement with everything going on with COVID, and then it's a new planner, so it's almost like it's a new year almost, you know, like just feel more inspired. So I just kind of want to keep that going, and I thought it would be fun to do a word a day. Kind of thought maybe in the middle of the box here. And so like I said, these are transparent stickers. They're very sticky. So unlike the other sticker sheets I have available, like the removable matte or matte glossy, these guys aren't going to come up. So wherever you stick them, they're going to be. I love that one there. And then I think for the weekend, I'm going to just combine and just use one word for the whole weekend, due to the fact that it's just one page. I don't want to run out of room. Maybe something like around here. Okay. So let's flip back to Monday, and I'm going to go ahead and plan out the weather stickers. So for today and tomorrow, since I have the date up in the very top box or top right box, I'll have to add the weather icons somewhere in the lower box, but I think going, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so let's see where I decide to put this guy. I think I'll stick him down here. So I'm going to go ahead and go through and put all these icons down, and then I'm going to go back and write the highs and lows for each day. Okay, so I have all the weather icons on and the weather highs and lows. So next up, I'm going to do my AM and PM routine check boxes. So I normally place them somewhere up at the top for AM and somewhere on the bottom for PM, and I may switch these around some. Like I said, you know, just only the second week in the duo, so I'm just kind of deciding where I want to place everything and kind of get in a routine and groove. Okay, and then last one down. And then next up, I'm going to use these soccer ball icon stickers that I have for marking. My kids are just starting back with some sport training this past week. So I'm super excited to be able to use these guys again and mark when their trainings are happening. I forget here, Tuesdays at 4s at 5. Let me verify real quick. Got my iPad. And yes, it's 5 o'clock, so we're going to mark it down here at 5. It's kind of nice to get back in the groove of things. Maybe it's not going to be a total normal, but it'll be our new normal. All right, and I'm trying to walk every day. I'm not going to be able to get it done on Monday today, but I am definitely going to start again on Tuesday. And I need to get to the post office. I know Mondays by 4. Sorry, I'm just trying to. Oh, that's right. So what I'm going to write now is my kids my 3 older teenage boys have jobs. So I just like a spot where I can write their schedules down of when they're working, not necessarily in the timed area for my day, but I think this box, bottom right box, is perfect to write some of those items in that don't necessarily need to be on my schedule because they all drive, so I don't need to be taking them or picking them up, but just a reminder of when my kids are going to be in and out of the house that I have at least know of for now. And then next, I'm going to just today, for Monday and Tuesday, highlight the week. I know a lot of people don't like this calendar box. It doesn't bother me. So I do kind of like the idea of highlighting the week we're on, so you kind of can see and pops out exactly where we're at in the week, even though we have the date on each page. For now, I'm going to keep it and not cover them up. Who knows what will happen in the future because it's only week 2, so who knows what I will end up wanting to get done. So that's pretty much set up since I already pre-planned, not a whole lot, but if I just flip through here and show you kind of how it looks. So we have the week set up. I'll show you real quick the kit that I used. Again, it'll be linked below. So it's the same kit I used last week as well, or it's a coordinating kit. Besides the date strips, I do have, can't seem to find it right now, but I do have a sheet of full dates and the larger days of the week, and I'll link that below too. So here's a quick glance at the sticker kits I used with some deco. So that is it for this week. Please follow me on Instagram at StickerMamaCo and on Facebook, Sticker Mama Co. Have a great day. Thanks everyone. Bye.